The negotiation means that we, after signing a contract with the homeowner, we are taking the whole control of the negotiation. And we agree to do the work for whatever the insurance will pay us. We know how to negotiate to get the amount. One of our last claims, the client got about $150,000, $170,000 for the claim. And once we were done with the negotiation, we got $650,000 for the demolition and rebuild. So we negotiate with the adjusters, with the insurance adjusters. We are like public adjusters serving our client. We are submitting estimates, we negotiating, we following up. We do everything that is necessary to get the maximum amount that the client deserves in order to get his house to par, to the current codes, and to the quality that he deserves. More expensive houses get more funds, and less expensive houses get less funds. However, we always negotiate and capable to get the client what he deserves, and that process can be at times pretty long, over a few months. Depends on the claim and the size. Like total loss of a home is something that can take about half a year to 8 months negotiation, and sometimes even more. It really depends on the insurance adjuster, the insurance company, and how attentive they are or how busy they are or not, and that changes the time frame of the negotiations. So our limits are very simple. The limits that we have is the policy coverage. If the maximum amount of damage is $1 million and the maximum coverage is $1 million, we still would be able to get full coverage for the repairs with no additional cost of the client. So our limitations is the policy limit. We can only ask from the insurance company whatever the policy is covered. So when homeowners are trying to deal themselves with insurance companies, there's a lot of information that they don't have and don't know. I'll give just one small tip out of many other things that we know that the homeowners don't necessarily know. When you have a fire in a house and there is smoke goes into computers, to all kinds of devices that have electronics in it, like transistors and chips and whatnot. And what happens is that when smoke goes in to those devices, the device can die in a day, in 3 months, in 4 months, in 8 months, in 10 months, in a year, or in 2 years. There is no limit, but it was proven already by other people and labs that the smoke damages the devices. So whenever there is a fire and the smoke was all over the house, pretty much all the appliances should be replaced with new ones. Now, a lot of people don't know that. So there are many other things and many factors that going into the build that people don't really know how to negotiate. But we, as contractors with experience, with working for the insurance many years ago, and the knowledge we retained over the years, we learned and understand all the things that we should do for our clients to get the most they can within the legal rights that they have. They should contact us after they opening a claim with the insurance, or even before, it's okay. And the reason they should do that, because we have the experience. Most contractors don't do what we do. There's a lot of contractors that works on behalf of the insurance, and they will not watch the client's interest because the insurance referred them. And when the insurance referred them, they will do the minimum that is necessary for the client because they're coming from the side of the insurance, and the insurance wants to make sure they don't overpay. So they will give a certain contractor that is the approved contractor by them, or the approved contractor by them, they'll give him the job and he will do the minimum possible. We're making sure that the client will get the total amount he deserves and the maximum to bring his house to its previous condition. Because the houses that people have are the most expensive thing in their life, and the biggest money they put into homes. So we need to make sure that their investment and their life savings will not be wasted, and we make sure that the job is done at high quality and high level, high workmanship, and then the best materials that are existing in the market, so the house will last for a long time. So the best way to contact us is during business hours. Call 408-492-1379. My team here will answer the phone, will take your questions, will connect me with them, and I will answer all the questions they may have, and we can definitely help.